Hi, this is Rodney Walker, Grants USA, Grant Writers Association. Welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the 7 steps for grant readiness. And if you looked at the first video, I've already shared with you the first 4 points. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the final 3. But before we go into those final 3, let's review the first 4 that we discussed. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you get the support of your board and staff. Second, ensure that you have a 501c3 status. Third, gather your organizational information. And fourth, make sure that you have updated 990 forms already submitted. The next thing you want to do is develop a team. Yes, you don't want to go at this alone. You want to go at this as a team. So you want to get maybe somebody to help you with research. Also, you want to get reviewers, and you may need a graphic designer to help you out to make sure that your proposal looks great. You also may want to get an editor to make sure that they review, to make sure that you have no typos inside of your proposal. The 6th thing that you want to do is get a game plan for securing grants. Yes, you don't want to just be going all over. You want to have a system in place from beginning to end that's going to allow you to research potential funders, and then after you research those potential funders, to know the correct way to go after them, and then to write a proposal that will be a winning proposal. So you want to get a game plan in place so that you're not all over the map. The 7th thing that you want to do is get knowledge of the entire grant writing process. You want to know how things operate from beginning to end, from A to Z. The good news is in the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact steps of what takes place in the grant writing process so that you'll understand what happens from the announcement all the way into the very end when you have to report back to the funder. So stay tuned for that, and until then, happy grant writing, and I'll talk to you soon. Hey, want more tips to help you with your grant writing efforts? Click on the link now and subscribe. Plus, remember to visit us at grantwritingclasses.org for our next workshop coming to your area soon. See you then.